guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today I have Patanjali Saundarya Neem Tulsi Face Wash with me. In this video, we are going to see first impression and unboxing of this product. But before that, if you are new here and want to join our YouTube family, then do subscribe to us by clicking that subscribe button down. So without wasting any time, let's start. This is the product of Patanjali. This is the front side of packaging on name of the product. It is Patanjali Saundarya Neem Tulsi Face Wash, which prevents acne and pimples. The net weight of this product is 15 gram. And the cost of this product is rupees 10. You will able to see that they have displayed over here. Here you will able to see that they have given picture of Tulsi as well as Neem. It says that soap free, phthalates free and paraben free. As you will make out that they have used quite simple packaging. I will not say that it's attracted me so much, but it's very simple. Let's see what they have given on the rear side of packaging. So here on the rear side of packaging that they have given the name of the product, that is Patanjali Saundarya Neem Tulsi Face Wash. You are able to see green dot which says that this product is vegetarian. The net weight of this product is 15 gram. And here they have mentioned batch number. Manufacturing date is June 2021. The cost of this product is rupees 10 and its expiry date is 24 months from the date of manufacturing. They have mentioned that for feedback and complaint you can write to Consumer Care Manager, Patanjali Ayurveda Limited, Unit 3rd, Patanjali Food and Herbal Park, Will, Padartha, Laksar Road, Haridwar, Uttarakhand. Even you can send your feedback to them on their email ID. You can call them on their toll-free number which they have mentioned on packaging. This product is manufactured by Patanjali Ayurveda Limited. Here they have mentioned that packaging material is manufactured by Kane Packaging Private Limited. It's made in India. On the rear side of packaging, they have given little information about the product. Neem Tulsi Face Wash is soap-free herbal formulation. Its gentle cleansing action controls moisture and natural balance of skin. Neem and Tulsi kills germs, while honey and aloe moisturize and rejuvenate the skin tissues to make complexion fresh, smooth and beautiful. It also helps to prevent acne and pimples. It's an Ayurvedic proprietary medicine and it consists of aloe vera, neem and tulsi. This material they have used aqua, gel base, honey, glycerine, vitamin E, dissolidinial, urea and IPBC, CI 19140, CI 42090 and Sugandhit Dravya. Usage: useful in dryness and roughness of skin. Its gentle cleansing action helps to remove dirt, dust, germs and other impurities. Direction for use: apply on wet face, massage gently for 1 minute and wash with water. In case of contact with eyes, rinse thoroughly with water. So according to me, you have to splash some water on your face and then you have to take 1 drop of this product and just gently massage on your skin for 1 minute and just rinse it off with the normal water. Its herbal composition may result in change in color of product over a period of time. It does not change the effectiveness of product. For normal to oily skin. So if you have dry skin, then don't use this product. They have mentioned that it's for normal to store in a cool, dark and dry place. And it's for external use only. So on skin only you can apply, you can't take it internally. It's a product of Patanjali Ayurveda. Now I'm going to unbox this product for you and let's see how it looks from inside. This is how this product looks from inside. You will able to see that they have done packaging very beautifully, and even the inside product is damn cute. You will able to take this during your traveling time, or even you can carry it in your pocket. Whatever was mentioned on packaging, same thing they have mentioned it on the tube itself. Here also they have done the same thing. Now I'm going to use this product at least for a week, and then I'm going to make review on this product. Till then, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, I request you to subscribe to our channel and be part of our YouTube family. And if you want to tell us something, like if you have any doubt about any product, then you can comment down below, and even I have mentioned email ID on which you can write to us. So that's all in this video guys. Do let me know your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.